before we say, hello, come on, let's do it. They have very much energy to make the work. Og det er ikke noget, der kommer i noget, har de.
Nej.
Så det er ikke farligt.
So far as I see it is that they sort of get some help to come closer to the working market. I think that could be useful when they have to apply for a job. If I have to choose between two people and they one was from this project or in this category of citizen, then if one of them had this CV where it says that he had been at this project and he's got up every morning and been here for several weeks and did this project for 37 hours a week, I would say he was standing a lot better than the other one who has been home sleeping all day.